Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vijay. Welcome to Tech Doctor channel. Today we are going to learn most useful top 5 websites one must have in their favorite bookmark bar in the web browser. First and foremost is HiPDF.com. So this website actually helps us to convert various file formats into one another. To access this website, please go to Google and type HiPDF. The topmost result you can see www.hipdf.com. Just click that on the web link and here you can see you can convert various file format to one another. If you click here all tools, so there are different options. You can convert PDF to Word and various image tools. We can compress, you can decrease the file size. So many tools are available. And the free version is limited and we can convert limited number of files in a day, and again the next day we can convert same number of files. I will demonstrate for one. Suppose I want to convert PDF to Word. Just I need to click here and I have to upload the file. So I will choose this file. This is a PDF file. I wanted to convert to Word file now. So you can see I already uploaded the file. Just click convert. So now this file is converted. I can download this file. So you can see the PDF file I uploaded, now it has converted to Word file. So this is a useful website, HiPDF.com. The next useful website is, suppose you want to download ebooks. So here is a website that is called pdfdrive.com. To access this website, just go to Google and type PDF Drive. So the topmost result you get is the website www.pdfdrive.com. So here you can download any book freely, and this is the safe website where you can download many books or soft copy of the books. Suppose I want to download CMDT. So you can see here the current medical diagnosis and treatment 2019. Just you need to click here and download. So here we can download number of ebooks freely. This is again a useful free website everyone must have in their. Next useful website is, suppose you want to download free softwares from the internet. Nowadays we can download many softwares freely, but there are many websites which give pirated versions or software contains viruses. So in order to download a clean without virus software, here is a website. The name of the website is called FileHippo.com. So again you go to Google and type FileHippo. So the topmost result is the website. So here you can download any free softwares without any virus. So this website also you must have in your bookmark bar. The next useful website, suppose you want to download images without copyright. So here are the two websites. First one is Pixabay.com. Just go to Google and type Pixabay. So the topmost result is the website. So here you can download image, high quality image without copyright. So you can use these images in your presentation or in your work. This website also you must bookmark in your favorite bookmark bar. The last useful free website again for the download of copyright free images. This is Fixels.com. Go to Google and type Fixels. So this is the website where you can type many images without copyright. Images and videos both. So these are the 5 free top websites which will be useful in our day-to-day activities in the office. Thanks for watching.